Hi, how are you doing? I'm Fernando. Welcome to Host2B Academy. Today, I'll show you how to resize footer text in Shopify. First, access the Shopify dashboard. On the left, click Online Store. The Themes page opens. Find your theme. Click the three-dot button. A menu appears. Click Edit Code. The Theme Files page opens. In Filter Files, search for base.cs. You'll see a file named base. says. Click it to open the store's appearance script. This code controls our store's entire look. We'll scroll to the bottom of this script. Just go all the way down. At the last line, which is blank, press enter. Next, we'll access the host2b.net website. The link is in the description along with the code we'll use. Let's click the copy button here. Just a simple click, the code will be copied. Back in Shopify, we'll paste the code in the blank line. The first two lines change the footer title and text size. In our store, we'll have column titles and text. First line changes title size, second changes text size. You can set any pixel value you want. Default is 23px for titles and 18px for text. Feel free to test and adjust as you see fit. In the footer, we'll keep the default 23 and 18. Position it on the top right and click Save. After clicking, changes are saved. Now let's access our store and reload the page. After reloading, you'll see the text size has changed according to your settings. You can make it smaller or larger as you prefer. Now you've successfully adjusted the footer text. I hope this video helped.